Hi. I like tacos. Do you leave comment and like this video if you like Undertale tacos? Turtles. Fish, cause we're going fish. And FNAF and Roblox and Minecraft. And Roblox, yeah. Minecraft, cause we're. I do not like Minecraft. So you guys, we're here with Madeline, and it's Madeline and Bridget, and there's Susie. Okay, let's go up to Susie. Okay. Hello, Susie.
Hi, sweetheart. Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
You're on YouTube.
Video?
You're on YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, so come on. Okay. Let's go to the food court while recording. Is that Ethan? I forgot.
Ethan and my mom in her bathing suit.
You're still on YouTube. We awesomely failed 5 videos. Awesomely failed them.
Guys, look!
The amazing circle. What? You just ate something that wasn't even on camera.
Are you actually a YouTuber?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
but I record toy videos.
Like, sorry for asking in the middle of a YouTube video.
Yeah, but you're still famous.
Okay, so have you done Bean Boozled?
No, but I will.
I'm not sure if I like this face.
I will do being. Yeah, I'm standing on the rocks. It doesn't hurt at all. It definitely doesn't hurt.
It's gravel.
I don't care. It doesn't sting to me. See? I'm stepping right on it. And then we have whatever this is, Miracle Bubbles. Ow.
Told you.
Hi.
To do on that. But mommy, I
Shocking.
Blow some bubbles for the YouTube video.
She just ate
She just ate.
on camera.
on camera. Thank you for watching me eat candy on camera. On camera.
Now it's
My grandma let us off the hook since it's a holiday. Come on, hurry up. You can't even get that open. Let's get some action in here. Seriously?
10 hours later.
Madeline, can you even open this?
Yes, I can, but
There we go. 5,000 years later. Finally! Finally! Wait, is that open?
Finally, Madeline spilled it.
I didn't even get any of that on camera. What? That was on camera.
There's a whole bunch of bottles over here if you want one too.
I'm done.
As you know,
You're finished?
As you know, Mom, I usually never have much of an appetite at all.
This is not my house, by the way. I don't live here. But we're going camping.
Hilarious.
Ow!
The water going.
What?
Camping
Little
IRL.
waves, little waves. Here comes the medium. No, they're large. And he let us know all about it.
Madeline, let's go inside now.
He was so funny.
Let's go.
We have a-
This
I had
YouTube video is
fun.
not getting too long, though.
I'm
So-
Okay, no, I no pepperoni
We-
in it. No pepperoni in it.
Okay, there you go.
Will you stop that for a second?
Shoot the
Just,
Pokemon.
I mean, not stop it, but.
So we're gonna go and head inside, guys. Because outside is where the bugs are. There's my awesomely failed chair. I did not. You're on YouTube.
Hi.
We're coming in, so excuse us. And this is the house I do not own. Yeah, I don't own this house. Do you?
Wait, look.
Do you even recognize this house, guys? No, you don't. I don't even live here. This is just a party, and I'm camping over here overnight. So, tomorrow, guys.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. So tomorrow, guys.
Are you camping? Did you put up the tent?
No, hold on. So tomorrow, guys, I'll make part 2, and this is camping in real life, and this is actually really cool. There's my grandma. There's a TV. Hey, Madeline, are you sleeping on the couch? Because that's where I'm going to be sleeping.
Wait, what?
No, honey. I think that's where we're sleeping.
I'm sleeping here.
Where's our grandma and Doug sleeping?
And
Wait, so are we staying here overnight?
I
Where's grandma and Doug sleeping?
am in the tent.
Okay.
They said they said I'm allowed to sleep in here if like Madeline or someone else is sleeping in here.
Oh, but I think that was before us other adults are. Now that. Hey! God, look at how dark you are. No. I was in Florida. I'm going to
Madeline, where should we go?
2 days.
Do you have a room in here?
Good.
No.
My mom's
Do you live
there.
here?
No, I don't know. It's about to Celeste skip. So Celeste skip for the Joda.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that pretty. That's pretty. Okay. We can have a lot more minutes to this video. I want it to be as long as 14 minutes because even if it touches 15, it won't upload. So, it has to be as long as 14.
Now, let's
There we
just
go.
actually, so let's just get footage of me. I like tacos. Oh my god.
I like this
Let's
one.
get footage of the boarding and dog.
I like this one better. Woo! Woohoo! Because it's pink and blue. Woo! Woohoo! Let's just. Ooh, let's put the beanbags in that. See, there's like a beanbag thing as well.
But I epic failed that.
Yeah, and